everyone, Christine here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all my new subscribers. I wanted to share with you how I frost my gingerbread. Isn't she super cute? And so basically I use Snowtex, which is one of my favorite products. And also the key is the Scruffy brush. It's a 3/4 inch Plaid Donna Dewberry Scruffy brush. And you just want to dab it into the Snowtex, get a little bit on your brush, and lightly tap it onto your project, not too heavy, because again, you just want a light frosted, sugar-coated look, nothing too heavy. So I just do a little bit at a time. And this is the Giant Girl Ginger from My Creative Time. And the one on the left is the Sweet Gingerbread Person, also from My Creative Time. And by the way, I like to stamp my faces first and add glossy accents and let it dry. And then I add my Snowtex. Super simple. And there you have it. Super easy. And just a quick tip, when you rinse off your brush, you want to make sure you fluff up your brush while it's drying so it's ready for the next use. And that's it, guys. I thank you all so much for watching. Bye for now.